Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben. Good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. Yeah, normally I wouldn't be there today because I got dates at my tattoo artist, but he forgot me. He's at wedding holiday, so I have to wait until next week and we can do video together today morning. Just one. After that I have to do a lot of other stuff because we are on renewing the shop at the moment. So let's see, we got an iPhone 7 here and it got the no network, no signal and triangle of death problem. It was mailed in by customer and he writes that it appeared after a drop. Oh, okay, we got a refurbished China device. Man, Andy already, oh no, Andy thinks already no. Goodbye, goodbye. Because often on these refurbished devices, it's terrible, terrible. But let's see what we got there. And let's fix that. So, when it happened after a drop, and from time to time, it worked. First it started by from time to time no network, okay, then he got network again and then he got a triangle of death. So I don't think we have a complete broken baseband CPU at this fault. I think we got cold solder joint, but we first check now if it's a Qualcomm device or it's an Intel device. We could have a look at the at the model at the back side, but because it's a China refurbished device, I don't trust the housing, because it could be that they just renewed the housing. Andy, you see that flickering? LED. It's because it's LED? Okay. Do you think it's bad in the video? Should I turn it off? No. So, let's get all the screws out. And he's doing baseband 2. Got mailed in by another customer. He tried to fix audio IC and after that he got the no network problem. And he's fixing that. I like these problems after audio IC because you directly know, okay, you only have to do reball of the module and it will work again. More bad are the problems when they came in without doing anything, triangle of death. In these cases sometimes the baseband CPU is shorted by itself. So let's get up the glue sticker at the back side. We will renew it, and oh yeah, we got a Qualcomm baseband. So the solution on the Qualcomm baseband is really nice because we have to set a ground jumper and just renew the PMU, and after that I'm sure it will work again. Let's get off the glue stickers. That's when I see it's a China refurbished device, it's often a Qualcomm, and I really like them. Because at these Qualcomm basebands, the solution for the no signal fault is solved really fast in most of the cases. Most of the cases. The Qualcomm are better than the Intels. In Germany, starting by 2016, I think, iPhone 7, Andy, we didn't see much QUALCOM basebands at start, but now last times we see a lot of these QUALCOM basebands, and it's great. It's really great because then we directly know what we have to do. So in this case, I don't check the voltages before because the repair, it's in 9 of 10 cases, it's based on experience. At start, we always measured the diode mode readings around and we measured the voltages. God bless you. We measured the voltages again and again, but then when you got an experience on a model which you fix every day, you directly know where the problem is in most of the cases. So it's you save time when you take the average of the damages you repair, and you see it's mostly only that problem. Then you just can save time in directly doing these steps. Always have a look at the angle of the hot air when you use it, and you saw just Homer moved a little bit, so kick Homer back to don't get any problems with the touch ID later. So let's just clean. Let's just clean the pads. It's for me really important to get all them pads flat. And you see, this is one of the coated Apple boards, of these rainbow Apple boards. I'm sure when I have a closer look at all the ICs, sometimes it's really hard looking like a rainbow. But here, you only see it here a little bit. The board is coated, here you can see it a little bit. And so when you use flux and solder on the board, you get a milky film on the board. So this looks nice. Then we just do a jumper. On these QUALCOM models we always set this ground jumper, because otherwise the problem is not solved for a long time. It will come back again. So that's of course why we always set this ground jumper. So we go to this capacitor, to the ground side. Put up some solder here, some flux here. Then we just get the jumper. Oh, these are two jumpers. We don't need it. We just need one. Much better. Today Andy already said it's not his day for fixing, because yesterday night he was out and having some beer, and then on Saturday comes in and always says, no, I wasn't out. I haven't drunk much. And then after 20 minutes he says, oh yes, I was out. Ah, it's not my day. So, and now we take the knife. See, we got a little bit of dirt here. Take it away. Push slightly with the wipe. Move the jumper in the right position. Doesn't want to come. Come on, straight here. Okay. Then we just take some UV. Why we take UV here? Because when we solder down the new IC, the solder melts, and we don't want to lose the jumper here. Okay, so we just give some UV on it, and then we just open ZXW because of the A1. I did so many of these repairs and I always have to take a look again for the direction. Okay. We always take a new baseband power IC. Really important. So, just want to take a picture of the screen here, because that always looks nice. Okay. Now you can see the A1. Just get in some flux. Get down the IC. And then just solder down. See, it moves to the right position. Yeah, and it's done. Okay. Looks nice. And now we can test. We will clean again the area later and renew the glue sticker. I just test the device now. Let's see. What about the triangle of death? Normally we have to do a restore or an update after that. But in some cases it works without. I don't know why. But it's my experience. So let's check. See the Apple close. That's good. Let's see if we got an IMEI number again. That's the new boot of the iPhone, the new iOS. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got an IMEI. We got. Can you give me the test SIM card, please, Andy? Is something don't working, or what do you do? You had it before. We're just waiting for the test SIM. Me? Not. Lebara hat kein Netz hier. We only got the Lebara test SIM card here at moment, and with Lebara we don't have network connection here because we are at the bottom of a building, and I just need the Vodafone card. Okay, we can activate. So let's activate the phone. And now let's go. And now plug in the SIM card. And you see it gets the card, and now we have to wait for network connection. It's bad in here because we are on the bottom of a building, and we always have problems with network connection. Here I got one small point of network with my iPhone XS, sorry, but I put it right beside to me, and then we just wait for the network connection. I'm sure it will work in a minute. We just have to wait. We just have to wait. Wait and wait. So it gets the SIM card is recognized again. We got an IMEI number. Here I can show you we got IMEI number again. Here we got the IMEI again, so we will find network in a minute. So no SIM. If I plug in the SIM, it recognizes no SIM, and if I put in, okay. So we just have to wait for a minute until we get network connection. I hope we get in here. My phone don't has network at the moment too. So let's wait a minute, okay? So we can get out this. I will show to you in this cam so we don't have any lags in the video. Just wait a minute. See if the antenna wires are connected correctly. Just wait. Yeah, the antennas are on. So that's good. We just need to wait. Yeah, this was a repair we do really often. iPhone 7, no network. On Qualcomm we always solve this problem just by setting the ground jumper, and then we got network connection again in most of the cases. Normally you always have to check the LDOs for the baseband, the voltages, and see that the baseband CPU isn't shorted, and check the diode mode readings. So just searching. Really, the network connection in here sometimes is okay, but sometimes it's really bad. So let's see if we can find something here. We see Vodafone now. So, but it's really bad in here. We just do a test. We just need to do a test. Sometimes we have to renew the software. To do restore on update. Because we didn't do, we can do, because IMEI is there again. It wasn't before, so okay, you don't see anything. See, we got the IMEI number again. That's not a problem at all. Now we just have to see for the network. But it's hard in here to get network connection. Same problem at my phone. But I will do all for you to show you that the repair was successful. I want to show you a signal. So I just do an update, and after that it will work. Gibst du mir mal klar einen Club Mate? Ach so. Ja, das von gestern. Ja. Thanks. Okay. So let's just wait a short time. I will have a look at the next phone. It's a data rescue job on an iPhone 6. So let's see. And after that, at 12 o'clock, I will finish my work for today and start by get done something here at the shop. Okay, what's that? That is stuck. Oh yeah. A nice stuck at 70 milliamps. Oh, I think it's not a big problem to get the data out of this phone. Not a big problem. Just desoldering the IMEI shield. Smells like shit. I think it was in the at the toilet. Wow. Really smells like shit. So 70 to 80 milliamps often. Problem with the backlight circuit. Backlight looks okay. Backlight, oh, okay, I see the problem. Can show it to you under the microscope. You see that? Nice. Nice problem. We will solve that in the fast way. Let's see the backside. Oh, great. Not a big problem at all. To fix that, to get data out of this phone. Hast du die Zahnbürste? Huh? Nein? Okay, then hast du die Zahnbürste? Okay. I got the toothbrush. So you see, we got. Let's just take a photo to see where the corrosion mainly is. We just need to get out the data of this phone. So we got corrosion here at the power IC, we got corrosion at the small touch IC, we got corrosion on the top at the audio IC. We can take out the audio IC, we don't need it for boot. So the touch IC, we need to get out the data because we need to use the touch. So now in this case we just clean one time with the brush. After that I get out the ICs I need to clean under, and then at first I get them out which I don't need for boot. So I want to prevent the swap here. It's not necessary to do a swap in every case because these cases here are mostly done fast. Okay, the iPhone 7 boots up again. So we got 2 in 1 today. Because we have to wait with the one, we can start with the next. So we just get out the audio IC because we don't need it for boot. Oh, it's okay, I don't see much corrosion under it. So, touch IC I will have a look later. Now first I saw here on the LCD IC, chestnut, I saw a lot of corrosion. Yeah, you see there's corrosion under it. We will just replace it. You see corrosion everywhere under the chestnut IC. So I just take off the solder. So give the iPhone 7 just a minute. Okay, now I hear something. So, no SIM. Let's get in, and now we see searching on the top. And let's wait until we got network connection. I hope we get in here today. Don't know. Okay. Let's see what we did here. Okay, on the right top, just give me a new chestnut IC. And here now we got network. Let me just place the chestnut. After that I show to you and finish the video. Or we can do a 2-in-1 video. So the first video is finished, the iPhone 7, because we got network connection, 1 bar Vodafone. So we got the new chestnut in. Let's have a look. What about a boot? I'm just at video, baby. Just a minute. So let's have a look. If this device wants to boot again. So I see something, but I don't know if it's enough. Could work. So, and now the network connection has gone again. It's really bad to get a network signal in here, but I show to you again. We got an IMEI now again. We didn't have before. We get recognition of the SIM card. Wasn't before. Okay. So you can trust me. We have really a bad signal in here. The phone is fully back to life again. I will now clean the board again. Get the stickers on it, and the phone goes back to the customer, and then I will finish this water damage data rescue job. Just want to have a look if it boots again or if we need to do some other things, because I saw corrosion on the power IC. It's often necessary to get off the power IC and to clean the corrosion and to reball the power IC. Normally that should be okay. Yeah, we don't get a boot. So I take out the power IC. Just let me have a look on the top here. No, backlight looks good. Chestnut looks good again. Es war nur noch eins da und das habe ich benutzt. So, now I just will finish this, but that's not part of that video now. So I think I showed you how to fix the no signal problem on iPhone 7 Qualcomm baseband. I will now finish the next data rescue job, and then I go straight up to the weekend. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's bad that we got a really bad network connection here, but here with my iPhone XS and Vodafone I only got one little small bar, and not every time. I'm just at Wi-Fi calling here. It's bad in here. So we will see us with the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you saw how to fix the problem, no service, no signal on iPhone 7 Qualcomm. If you want to learn things like that, you can do it on the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones or tablets, you can join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Have a nice weekend. Yours, Ben.